Start. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my gamer time.
Hey Matt,
What?
can I tell a joke?
What? No! No! No!
Matt, Matt, Matt.
I fucking hate all of you.
Whoa, what did I do?
No, not you,
What did
Vincent.
I
Not
do?
you. Not
I
Steven either.
joined.
Matt.
So who do you
Matt.
hate? Wait, who else is there to hate other than...
Vincent, please just read your line. Also,
Hey,
why
Matt.
does his book say his own name?
I don't know, maybe he's like a
Matt.
narcissist or some
Hey
shit.
Matt, can I
This
make
is
a
all
joke?
Okay,
about-
well, yeah, we're doing this again.
I
Hey,
can't
Matt.
realize how
You
big
just-
he is.
Hey Matt, can
Looks
I
like
hear a
6
joke?
foot like 5 or some shit.
Monk, I
Hey,
will
does anybody-
drive to your house and rip out your singular eyelid.
Oh, speaking of eyelids, one day.
Oh.
What? No. Let's just go!
Yeah, come on,
Okay, I
Vincent,
can't read.
just-
It's too pixely.
Oh my fucking god.
I'm
Oh
sorry. I want to do a
my
good job, but I cannot
fucking
do it.
God. Oh.
Don't
You
mind
need to
me, I'm
upload
just
the
currently-
unedited
I'm
versions
just
of
hanging
these.
outside
I
having a
could
Yeah.
edit them. Why would you prefer me not edit them?
No, you should edit them and then do an unedited version too.
Wait, what's going on?
Why?
Cause it would just show
He
the
could
pure
break me like a
stupidity.
damn. He could break me like a damn toothpick if he wanted to.
That's hot. Imagine him bending
Right.
me over his knee, spanking me, and then
But
just
then,
ripping me to
but when he
shreds.
smiles like that, I can't imagine him hurting a fly. And it's all right.
How was your first day?
Daddy, is this really what you wanted to talk to me about? That's kind of sweet, actually. Ooh woo.
Ooh. School's well school. That's...
You know, I fucking hated it.
Sorry, Mr. Jonathan, but I hate you.
It's what it's.
What should I do?
Be nice, man. or
I
else he'll kill
fixed
you.
it.
I liked it, or I think I can get used to it.
I liked it.
Okay.
You don't
Oh,
say anything
before I
else.
forget,
Rip your guts
yeah.
out. He
Lois,
goes to
remember
his
that time I
desk
was
and
in
grabs a
disco call hanging
neatly
upside-
stapled packet of papers.
Wait, I thought he said he was grabbing handcuffs for a second. I thought he was about to get kinky.
No.
We're not that far in yet.
Yeah, you live close to one of your fellow classmates. Yeah.
He
It's
nods.
Jotaro. We live
He
close to
hands the
Jotaro.
papers out to me.
Yeah, he didn't come to class today, so you could drop these off on your way home. Yeah, it'll be great when you meet a little of your classes. Yeah.
I take the packet from him, and he looks over at the first page, and I can't read that. Class
No!
today. Class today.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh!
Oh, someone's DMing me.
Why
Shit.
is this starting already? Okay, why is it not on screen? Is it on screen for you guys?
No.
What?
There's nothing. There's no done. Oh wait.
What? It's not on there. Oh no.
It's just black.
Oh no. Oh no.
Like,
Oh, it's back.
Oh, is it good?
Okay. It's very
Sure, that
blurry.
shouldn't be a problem.
it's inversion.
Dot.
What?
I don't know. Is it supposed to
I'm
say something
upside-
there? I
Yes,
can't read
it is!
I can't see anything. It's too pixely. I'm sorry.
This is the best part of any of the series, dude. Like, I actually enjoy this part.
Yo, wait. Beaner Squad Joe. When did that happen?
Yeah, wait, yeah, when did that happen?
I don't remember that being there.
It's gone now.
Oh. Well, it was fun while it lasted.
Guys, you wanna buy me Discord Nitro so that this doesn't happen?
how about you just apply to be admin?
What did you just say?
I said, how about you apply to be a Discord admin?
I mean, maybe.
Hey, what's your guy's favorite e-girl?
Hey guys, does that make it any better?
This is a
Yeah,
red
sure.
border. What's going on?
Jonathan smiles at me. Yeah, thank you,
Wait.
Charmy Green.
Hold up, I can't full screen. Alright, there we go. I think that'll work. He leans forward a little bit. Did I get that right?
Yep.
Okay, well, I'm just
and
kind
thanks
of
for
winging it
the
at this point.
yeah, thank you for joining our class. I know things are a little bit different here. And what is that? Gwinky
Gulan Quan Ji!
No, I'm just gonna call it Hanky Panky Academy. And I know you're
What?
gonna do great.
Let's get out of the way.
Alright.
I leave quickly, a light blush creeping to my cheeks.
Oh my.
No,
Creeper.
make the
Oh,
man. The
my
packet
dad
of
beats me.
homework Mr. Jonathan gave me.
Oh,
with
it is
the
Jotaro's
packet
house.
of-
I was right.
Yes, yes.
I was
Come on,
right.
Hurry, come on. Where is he? Where is he? Let me see him. He lives on the same street as me, so it shouldn't take long. Look for the house number scribbled on the post. No.
Well, guys, sorry. That's all we have for today.
Cliffhanger.
We're no
Is
That
it
was
more.
barely
Jotaro?
an episode.
No, shut up. It
What are you
isn't.
talking about?
That doesn't say Jotaro. Censor that.
Oh, wait. What I've heard about Jotaro comes to mind and I glep. Hold up.
Oh my fuck.
What is that? Sorry. This I heard something. I don't know. It's probably like my.
Yo, who's clapping?
He
someone's
can't be that
cheeks?
bad. I'm sure what I was just told was an exaggeration or something. Sure, he seems to have a reputation. Okay.
Sorry. Oh. Wait, actually,
Oh,
wait.
I said,
oh.
He can't be that bad. I'm sure. Oh, wait. All right. A reputation made for delinquent punks, but how bad can it be? I mean, I go to that school, and it's not like I deserve. Oh. I found it's only a handful of houses away from mine. Can we get the monkey noises back in here?
Yeah.
I double checked the house number to make sure it's correct before stepping up to the front door. Letting out a deep breath, I pressed the doorbell.
No.
Yeah, it's just too quiet. I need the monkey noises to help me
Hang on.
focus.
Do you want me to help you guys real quick? Do you
With
want me to
what?
just, monkey noises 10 hours?
You know, let's save that for another video.
For another video? Like what?
I
Wait.
don't know. Alright, press the button.
What button?
The one that makes the story progress. Come on, make the story progress.
Fine. I pressed the doorbell. I'm
Dot,
still waiting.
Dot. It's quiet. I can't hear any footsteps from the inside, or at least a voice reassuring me someone is on their way to the door to answer the door. Yoda! I ring the doorbell again. Ring the doorbell.
That's his doorbell.
again. Yo, I wish my doorbell was Yoda dying. It's still quiet. Maybe nobody's home. I lean back and check the driveway. But as I do, the door clicks as if being unlocked. I stand up straight to greet who answered the door. I find myself face to face with the brutiest mug. Oh shit, here he comes. I've ever seen. Alright, what voice am I gonna give Jotaro? I'm gonna make him Australian. Come on. Hello? Where is everyone?
Oh, bro.
It got really quiet.
We're in suspense. He's gonna show up.
Well, you gotta
Can you
press the
not hear me?
doorbell or the button. What is the doorbell? Why does the doorbell look like a floppy disk?
It's a floppy disk of the Unit.
Are we gonna press the
Matt,
button?
hurry up.
Come on!
Voices.
Press the button. I wanna voice him.
You alright, fine.
Maybe no, but wait. You went back.
Yeah, I did. Oh,
What? Why does he look like that?
Oh,
He looks so emaciated.
you know, my reaction to that.
Oh.
Why does he look like
What did they
Contour?
do to him? This is bad.
I'm just like,
He-
my
He went from where the words "follow me." Is this Jotaro? Is this Lost? This tall beefy mofo is staring at me as if hoping I evaporate where I stand.
Did you hear that? Stand?
I'm open my mouth to speak, but I don't know where to begin. So I'm gonna make you choose.
Handsome?
Yeah, do that one.
Oh God. All right, I'm gonna saving. All right. Oh no. Are you okay?
Me? I'm fine. I'm having a
Yeah,
good
I'm
time.
good.
Alright,
I don't know
guys,
who's
you
making the
ready? You
noises.
ready to see what he's gonna say?
Yeah. What was he gonna say?
I can't read.
Hey, a handsome, feeling lonely in this big old house, want some company? I'm the new kid in your school, and I wouldn't mind a new friend.
Okay. I hold my breath and watch Jotaro's glare darken.
Oh.
Come on, Jotaro, say something. He hates me already.
That's hot.
Yada to say.
Yar days. Relax. I was joking. Lamau XD.
What the hell do you want?
Temena!
Yakamashi! Itoshizu Lava!
Star Platinum. Zawarudo. Fuck you.
He spoke in a sneer snarl, but I momentarily considered just dropping the home on the welcome mat and leaving. Yes.
Homework! Woo! Hey,
Put on the Sans
Mandy.
music.
Yo, suck my dick, yo. Hey, man.
Hey, Mandy.
Hey, Mandy.
I held up the packet.
Mr. Jonathan asked me to drop it off. I live down your ass, so.
Hurry up! This game's garbage.
No,
He
it's
takes the paper out of my
This
hand
game
and
is
I trail
horrible.
off.
No, it's not.
look at him. He looks malnourished.
I'm Chairman.
Game is garbage.
What?
He went from looking like from looking like the guy who he says your daughter calls me daddy to. Now he just looks like I'll have her home at 8 p.m. sir. Like shut the fuck up. Get out of here.
Hey, don't disrespect the people that made this game.
I'm not, but like, why does he look so malnourished? Is he okay? Does he need like a cheeseburger? Does he even eat?
Does he
Why
need
does
a
Jotaro-
hamburger?
Hey, do you think Jotaro has ever eaten a hamburger before?
Yeah, haven't you seen it? He just like the episode in part 3 where he's just like, hamburger.
Yeah, oh
love
yeah, and then they go
Josuke.
to McDonald's and
Are
they
we
get
just gonna
food.
sit staring at the screen all day, or are we gonna continue on?
Yeah, you're
I'm
right.
Charming
I'm
Green,
so
by the
sick of
way.
looking at
I'm your
this
fucking
malnourished-
egg.
Whatever. Well, I mean, he would probably sound like that because he is a smoker. So.
No,
He sounds like a goblin.
It's high noon. That's
Well, I mean,
Jotaro. That's
that works
Jotaro.
because his English
His
dub
English
voice
voice
is
is
actually the same time.
McCree from Overwatch.
Oh, also he's Yusuke from Persona 5.
Fuck off. Fuck off.
I watched Jotaro flip me off.
God.
That's all I really needed to do. I guess I can just excuse myself and go home.
Let
But-
me guess, he's gonna say he's so sexy that he's alluring
He just
my
starts
penis
strangling
into
you.
his nose.
He just gouges, he just presses his thumbs into your eyes.
He uses star finger. You're Jotaro, right?
He looked back at me as if to confirm.
Hot.
It's really nice to meet you, Jotaro. I'll see you.
What? Oh, oh.
He shuts the door in my face without his word.
Around.
I think he likes us.
No, definitely.
I scoff under my breath. Asshole.
That's what he's gonna be putting it in.
Asshole. I feel like that was a better take. But that only means, yeah.
Are you
I
illiterate?
can't. The screen is becoming a hentai.
And that's hot. No.
Get some more sound effects in now.
All right, I'll get different ones.
No, I need more monkey noises and more Yoda death sounds. And maybe yeah, no, that'll work actually. Yeah.
Bro, can you read it yet?
No, it's all black.
Bruh.
All I see is darkness.
Hamburger, 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 hamburger,
What?
hamburger, hamburger, hamburger.
That, can you hear that?
Hear what?
Oh
I
my
don't-
fucking god. Bruh.
I think I hear something, but I don't know.
Get ready.
Hamburger, hamburger,
I hear
hamburger, 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 hamburger.
Hamburger. Hamburger. Hamburger.
We should never see that.
What is happening?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, can you guys read that now?
No.
What do you mean no?
Talk with you again.
Please fucking stop before I get. Can you read it?
Can you?
Wait, hold on.
Oh,
Yes.
what ear?
But that only means my little task is done. I turn around to leave the property and head straight to my house to conclude the day.
What?
That's what it said.
Oh.
Where the hell is the snooze button?
My ass.
My ass.
There it is.
Hey guys, if you guys come to my funeral, can you all do the Mario?
Do the Mario. Swing your arms from side to side.
Side to side.
Come on, let's all do the Mario. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
They should really bring back the Mario series. Though.
They should.
Yeah, but like get the same. I'd say get the same actors, but they're both dead. So
Alright, I'm up.
what is this? What's facade?
You see, Facade is where a woman and a man. That's the cool video game where they're like, ahaha, I murdered you.
Oh, alright, because this guy was alright, whatever. I sit up tiredly and take a look at my cock. I take a look at my cock. Oh, alright.
Alright.
The little glowing numbers tell me it's still pretty early. I had to set it early with the intention of getting to school.
What the fuck are you doing?
Wait, was that good?
No.
Too bad, bitch.
Alright, read it, Vincent.
Wait, I can't read. It's all flat. It's flashing up and down.
Come
I'm gonna
on,
have a
read it,
seizure.
Vincent. Read it,
But
Vincent.
now-
Read
But
it.
now that it's actually time to put effort into the idea.
Good job,
I read it.
Vincent.
I hate you people.
Read it, Vincent.
That snooze, but oh, you went back. I
Hurry
don't know what
up.
Fuck.
now you. What are you doing?
Shut up.
That snooze button is looking like a.
Do I hit the snooze or do I
Get up! Get up!
Hit snooze.
No, you gotta get your ass
Sleep
up.
in.
No. I lean forward. I cave into my sleepiness.
Hit snooze.
I lean forward.
I swear to God.
I don't get paid enough. for
Stop.
this shit.
Give us your YouTube or revenue you make. The
I
$40
don't
you
make
make off
any
this
revenue.
video.
I make
Yeah, I need to
negative
buy
revenue.
Bionicle masks. I need masks for my Bionicle.
Just read the sentence.
I lean forward and turn the alarm off before slumping over.
Day
Academy.
2.
Day
Stop.
number 2. Shit.
Alright, let's just call this Gay Academy.
Yeah.
Ha, isn't that funny?
That's really
yeah, it is
funny
pretty
because it's a
funny.
funny
It's really
joke.
funny because.
Oh, looks
Damn
like
it.
that's all the time for today. Uh-oh.
This episode's, I think this was the worst episode besides the last one. These two
What?
episodes suck.
What'd you
Fucking
say to me?
bullshit, man.
These episodes have sucked.
These monkeys fucking coming in here. Get the Yoda death sound now.
Alright, I'm on it.
No.
Hey, do you guys watch the Eric? Do you guys watch the Eric Andre show?
No, your mom does.
No. I showed her a clip of the show and she didn't get it.